Hi guys, we are in the office of the BuildOps company. They reached us 1 year ago. They were moving to this new location and they initially knew they will grow quickly. So they're looking for the system which can scale easily and onboarding is easy and convenient. BuildOps is a software company. All the employees use Wi-Fi constantly for video calls, for exchanging big amount of data, emails. So fast and stable Wi-Fi, very important for them. Also, all employees are using access control to access the office. So we installed access control on both doors, on the main door and on the door in the back.
Welcome, YesTechie.
Initially, we installed access control for both doors. We installed a core network infrastructure and Wi-Fi access point. Initially, we used U6 Pro, but then we replaced them with a newly released E7 access points. Over the year, the number of employees increased from 50 to almost 200, and the company rented another floor in the same building and continued to grow. Scaling of the existing system went smoothly and quickly. In the new office, we added one more switch as part of the core infrastructure, connected it to the first floor. We also installed access control for the doors and expand Wi-Fi network with access points. From management side, scaling went almost unnoticed. All needs to be done is adding new doors to access policies, and Wi-Fi network expanded automatically. As part of this project, we also installed Logitech equipment, Rally Bar and Tap IP in 2 conference rooms. So for now, in this building, they have almost 200 employees and a Wi-Fi handled by 7 E7 access points and Ubiquiti access control system installed on 5 doors. If you're looking for network, access control, physical security for your business, YesTechie is a certified UniFi integrator and we'll be happy to help you with your project.